Who's ready to funnel some clients? Hi, it's your girl, Dezzi Pixels. I am a freelance illustrator and I help artists find clients and build businesses online. Today we are going to talk about what is a sales funnel and how you can use it as an artist. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a marketing term for taking a potential client that hears about you from initial contact to making a purchase from you. This tends to include 5 general steps that vary from business to business, but I'll give you a good little rundown that you can tailor for your business. The first step of your sales funnel should be your lead generator. What your lead generator does is introduces cold clients to your services and your personality to warm them up for you. For artists, this tends to be our content and our content marketing that we talked about previously in most of the videos. So for me specifically, I have this YouTube channel and I have my various social medias. So when I post videos here or I post pictures on Instagram, or if you post videos on TikTok, these act as lead generators for your business. This introduces people to you and leads them to step number 2, which is contact. This is after they view your lead generator. You should have a way for them to contact you within that lead generation. This leads from whatever content that you're posting and updating to them contacting you about your products and services. From here is where you introduce them to your product specifics as like price points and all that, and you inform your potential customers and clients about your products and services. Notice that I say inform and not sell. What this type of sales funnel does is filter out people who don't need or don't want your service from actual people that can benefit from it. So if you set up your sales funnel right, you should be attracting clients that when you present your service in a way that fulfills their needs, which we talked about before in our previous videos, should make the decision if they want to purchase it on their own. Step number 3. For step number 3, you want to close the loop / follow up. What this means is after you have your contact phase, where you introduce them to your product, you want to make sure that you are following up with them. I tend to make a rule for around 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You want it to be not so soon that you're pestering, but not so long that they forget who you are. It tends to take a couple different touch points before someone feels comfortable enough to buy from you. So make sure that you're just staying fresh in their mind, because people forget things, and just make sure you're following up so you can close that loop. Step number 4 is conversion. You want to address the pain points of your products or services with your potential customer. What this means is during the previous phase of the follow-up, you want to make sure you're assuaging any fears that a potential client or customer might have. If you know that your product is expensive, you might want to remind them about your payment options or what they're receiving for the compensation that they're giving you. You might also want to let them know that if they act in a certain amount of time, they may be able to receive a certain amount off of your service or product. Different things like this that you can get creative with of assuaging your audience of their different types of doubts is a key part of assuaging your audience to convert them from hearing about you to customers. And step number 5, a sale. So after you do all this fancy funneling business, this is when, if you did everything right, hopefully you let that potential cold client to a customer that you're providing value to. So make sure that you are revisiting these tools to see which ones are working the most. A sales funnel is a framework for your marketing. So So you want to make sure that you're tuning it and tweaking it to your audience, and that you're updating it with the metrics that you're collecting to make sure you're doing things that work. You want to double down on those, keep doing those, and retool the machine that is your sales funnel with the parts that work to make sure that you're getting the maximum value out of that. So anyways, this has been your girl Dezzi Pixels. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment down below for anything you might want to know about art or art related businesses or creative related businesses. And I will see y'all next week. So this has been your girl Dezzi Pixels, and I'm out, bitches. I'll see y'all next week, and be safe. Bye.